Hey guys, so I know it's been literally forever since I filmed a video, and honestly I've just been going through a lot this last year. It's been crazy and I moved. There's really no excuse to not upload, but to be honest I just have not been motivated to film and I just didn't know what to film. And I've also been really busy with my business at home. I do eyelash extensions, so with all of that together I just feel like it's been a chaotic year and I just have not had time to film. But now that I have time, I'm setting aside time because I really do miss filming and I miss editing and uploading for you guys. And yeah, I mean, I just miss the whole thing. But as for this video, lucky enough to get sent a Fab Fit Fun box, and I'm sure most of you have heard of them by now, but it's one of those subscription box companies, and this one's really cool because it's seasonal, so you get different types of things each season, and then it's all full-size products, which I think is amazing because I've definitely signed up for other boxes in the past, and it's all like the little mini sizes, which is cool too, but I mean, I think I really want the most out of my box since I'm paying X amount of money. This one happens to be $50 per season, and when I say per season, it means like obviously fall, spring, summer, winter is when you get a new box. So this one I'm going over is the winter box. What's cool about Fab Fit Fun is you can also customize what products you like and things like that, just so it's not a bunch of random stuff that you're not even going to use. I love these kind of boxes because you get to really discover new brands and different things that you've never tried before and you probably would never have tried if you didn't get the box. Another really cool thing about Fab Fit Fun is that they give back. Each box raises money for nonprofit organizations, which I think is really cool. By the way, I really hope this video doesn't sound too scripted. I really have not done a sponsored video in forever, but this is just me being candid. I do genuinely support this company and I really am excited about it, and it's definitely something that I would have bought anyways, so I think that kind of makes up for the sponsorshipness. I don't know. I know some people have a thing about sponsored videos or videos where you get sent things for free or whatever, but and I'm just sharing a little bit of brief information before I even get started, just in case you're wondering. So they ship to the US, Canada, and the UK. All right guys, so then another really cool thing that Fab Fit Fun is doing for me is they're providing me a discount code for you guys. So it's going to be $10 off your first box, and if you just use the code Francine, you'll be able to get that discount. Okay, I think we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. So the box is huge, by the way. I was kind of shocked when I got this in the mail. It's so pretty too. I'm so excited to open this. I have not even looked at what is inside here at all, so this is extra exciting. And I think I'm gonna have 2 camera views, and this is what you get inside. So it looks like you get like a little magazine here. That's kind of fun. Tells you about the products. First of all, the box is like heavy. They have a ton of different coupons and stuff in here, which I think is kind of cool. So they have the purple, oh, $100 off. Okay. $100 off a mattress. And then they give you like a little sample of what it feels like, which I think is kind of cool. I'm really excited about this box already. And then I have a Sterling Forever $30 off gift card. So I guess that's just a jewelry company. That's really cool as well. See, I didn't even know all this was in there. This is all just a bonus here. And then it's take a moment for yourself, $15 off your first box. So they gave me a coupon code for my, I guess my next box, my first box. And then I get a HelloFresh $90 gift card, which I think is also really cool. And then I guess this is the actual box, and this one's already peeking out, so I'm already excited. Okay, so this is what is inside. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Like, I'm genuinely excited about this box. So I'm gonna go through each item and kind of show you what it is. So the first thing I see here is the makeup eraser, and I don't know if you guys know what this is, but basically it's one of those cloths that you can use to remove your makeup. I've tried different ones before in the past, but I've never actually tried the real one, so I'm kind of excited to try that out. And then I will leave what these retail for on the screen, just in case you're wondering, just because this is literally hundreds of dollars of full-size products, and again, this was literally $50. Like, I'm not trying to sound sponsored, but I'm serious, like that's really cool. The next thing, oh my gosh, I love Dry Bar. They have Prep Rally, the detangling spray from Dry Bar. So I used to work at Ulta and Sephora, and they had that there, and it's just basically kind of a higher end hair care line. So I already trust this and I'm excited to use this as well. I'll definitely use this. I think you use it when your hair is wet. It's also a heat protectant. Oh my god, love that. Okay, and this is definitely a full size as well, so that's exciting. Okay, this next thing here, it's a Face for All face and eye mask set by Karuna. I've never heard of this brand. The kit includes age-defying antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and renewal eye masks, I guess. So there's just a bunch of different masks in here, it looks like. And I kind of want to open it and see. Oh yeah, they're all just a bunch of different masks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I freaking love masks, so I'm really excited about this. But yeah, it just looks like all different kind of masks in here. So they're like the little sheet masks, which I can definitely use these on like a spa night at home. Actually, I'm much needed for that. I literally have been overworking myself to death. So, and then next I have a Pure Something Melt Pomade, a nourishing balm to oil. I don't know what this is. Use overnight facial mask or throughout the day when needed. So it looks like it's a balm slash oil. Have you guys ever heard of this brand or this at all? I think that's kind of interesting. See, this is what I mean by like this company basically introduces you to things where you're like, I would have never picked that up, but that's not a bad thing. I really do like trying new things. It smells really good. So I just want to try some. It's like a little white cream. Ooh, it's really smoothing. It is definitely an oil, so it has that oily consistency. But I feel like this is gonna be perfect for the winter time because I get so dry, and I could totally see this on my lips. I have lip gloss on, but so like on my elbows or dried hands during the winter. So I'll probably just keep this one in my purse, but that's really cool. I like that. Okay, next, guess what you'll be naked in 1 minute? An original coffee scrub. Oh cool, it's by Frank's Body. Oh my god, it's one of those butt scrubs. Oh my gosh, tell me why I've always wanted to try one of these, low-key. I've seen this on, I don't know, like Facebook or something. I'm excited. This is so inappropriate. It says tear my top off right there. That's hella funny. Anyways, I'm really excited to try that out as well. That is something I probably never would have tried as well, but I'm very excited to do so. All right, next we only have a couple more things, by the way. Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask by Younow Laszlo. I've never heard of them either. Yeah, I love a good clay mask, so I'm very excited to try this out. And look at how huge the size of this is. Like, that's exciting. I am so excited for this box, honestly. Like, all this stuff, like, I'm ready to just have like a cozy night in and just like pamper myself. I feel like that's what this box is reminding me of, like treat yourself kind of thing. Okay, this next one, ooh, what is this? Hand and Body Wash by Kusio. It's called Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. It's in a cute little blue bottle. I could always use more hand soap or body wash, so that's exciting as well, and it's full sized. And then the last thing in here, I think it's a blanket, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, the last thing in here, it looks like a blanket, but I'm not sure. It says fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. What is it though? It just says it's not real fur, which is good. Let's open her up. It's called Unhide. For love, not fur. Oh, that's cute. And this is so soft. Oh my god. I'm excited. Okay, I do need scissors for this. Hold on. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's a blanket. I love me a good throw blanket. I can't even show you the whole thing on camera, but it is literally the softest thing I've ever felt. And it's this really cute, like, cream color. Oh my gosh, like, thank you, Fab Fit Fun. Like, I love. I honestly just want to go curl up in a ball and put on a face mask now, so like that's what I'm doing tonight. I don't know about you guys, but if you get this box, you can totally do that as well. So I mean, it literally gave me a makeup remover, face mask, hand soap, butt scrub. Like, what more could you need? And a blanket. So I honestly think this box is 100% worth it. Like, I am not gonna lie, I haven't ever tried them before, but after seeing what's actually in the box, it makes me want to subscribe, because I'm like, hello, like, full-size products. If you like trying new things, if you love makeup and skincare, and well, mostly skincare, but I love skincare. And I think it all just is kind of geared towards whatever season it is. So I think that makes sense. So yeah, I mean, I think this box is really cool. If you are interested, I will definitely leave the links and everything down below for you to sign up. And of course, don't forget to use my code Francine at checkout, just so you can get $10 off your first box. So let me know again what you guys want to see from me next. I am definitely going to try to be more consistent on this channel. I'm very excited for this time of year, and I'm sure most of you guys are, so if you want more like holiday related videos, totally can do that as well. But yeah, I almost want to just sit here and talk to you guys because it's been so long, but I know you guys hate when I go on forever, so I probably should just end the video now. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next one, I guess. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media because that is where you can see me the most consistently if you do happen to miss me. Snapchat right here, I am always posting on there. Also my Instagram, never really post on there, but Snapchat is where it's at, so definitely don't forget to follow that one. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go, but I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.